In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase row height in Google Sheets. Whether you're a student managing class schedules, a business professional working on data analysis, or simply organizing personal data, adjusting row heights can help make your spreadsheet more readable and visually appealing. So, let's dive right in and simplify your spreadsheet experience. To get started, the first step is to open up a Google Sheet. You can either create a new Google Sheet or open an existing one by heading over to your Google Drive and selecting your desired file. If you're used to working in spreadsheets, you'll find Google Sheets quite straightforward with its intuitive interface. Once you've opened your Google Sheet, go ahead and select a cell by clicking on it. You can do this in any area you're working on, but for illustrative purposes today, we're going to focus on adjusting the height of a specific row. So navigate towards row 3 on your sheet. You can tell by the row numbers on the far left, aligning horizontally. Now that you've identified row 3, you can take your mouse and click directly on the number 3 itself. Clicking the row number selects the entire row, highlighting it with a blue background. This action ensures that any changes you make will affect the whole row, not just a single cell. Next, with row 3 still selected, use the mouse to right-click. Doing so will open a contextual menu with various options tailored to row editing and formatting. From this menu, locate the option that says Resize Row. Clicking Resize Row will pop up a new window, allowing you to specify the pixel value for the row height, an important factor for controlling how much space each row occupies on the screen. In this newly opened dialog, you'll find a field where you need to type in the desired pixel value. Consider how much additional space you need, factoring in the content you're planning to add. A common adjustment might range anywhere from 20 to 60 pixels, though this depends on your specific needs, such as data volume or visual preferences. After entering your chosen pixel value, the final step is to click the OK button. This action confirms the resize operation, instantly adjusting the row height based on your specifications. You should now see row 3 displaying at your newly set height, with your content snugly fitting within the modified spacing. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully increased the row height in Google Sheets, making your data more accessible and your spreadsheet easier to navigate. Remember, you can apply this process to any row as often as needed, giving you complete control over your document's layout. Thanks for tuning in and happy spreadsheet managing.